keep my fingers off this damn camera.
De Havilland Beaver. Super Tiger 90. Bachman Flying Service, Oregon City, Oregon. Oh, nice. Bachman Flying Service, Oregon City, Oregon. Oh, look at that bounce. Oh, that's better. Like a real bush pilot. And bush pilot. Takeoff for us here. Slow and easy. Okay, that's a 9.5. Greg Ernst, Spitfire. Danish Henkel 2. YS-45. Plans available from RCM. Got a YS-60 and it's not a 45.
Roger Wilson with the Henkel.
Morning at Pine Hollow Reservoir, and we're going to start calling this Scale Day at the Seaplane Championships. All of those that want their seaplanes videotaped, come on Friday. We tape all day long. Few little waves there. Good landing though. Good landing. These Henkels just float. Atta boy, Roger. That's better. Slow flight. He's going to touch down this time. That's what he did, too. Roger says he wants another chance at that landing. Well, I can see why. Henkel 3, or Henkel 2. Danish Air Force, Danish Navy, in fact. Photographed the continent of Greenland for Denmark in the early 30s or late 20s, who knows. Neat flying airplane. 3 of these in our club. Takeoff. Hey, beautiful. Nice and Lawrence. Quarter scale Sig Cub.
Nothing purrier than a Sig Cub on floats. There I go again.
Promised me a landing this trip around. Oh, that's nice. No, he didn't stop though.
Those are metallized floats he's got on there.
Hey, now that's a Cub. Oh, he caught a wave or something. Nice for a Piper Cub. Bill Westfall from Mount Lake Terrace, Washington is going to try to deploy a banner here from his aircraft now, right, Bill? Come on, Bill. Bill! Bill!
Poor Bill tried all weekend. He'll do better next year, he says.
Right, Bill? Well, it's Saturday morning. Jerry Holcomb's going to be first up with his Supermarine air yacht. There goes Jerry. Now Jerry does a spot landing. Turns around. He just avoided. Out aboard, Jerry. He takes off.
He's right in the box, right?
He has to do either 2 rolls or 2 loops before he touches down again. Comes around. 5 minutes of this he's got to do. 5 minutes. This is the first event, Northwest Seaplane Championships, 1991.
This is a flyers contest.
50 points to the center box, 25 for the outside boxes. Jerry, that was magnificent. First place already. Dave Anderson's up next. The idea is to taxi out and enter the box for takeoff. Your time starts when you enter the box. Started, he'll take off. He has a bomb on board. Uh-oh, tough luck, Dave. Mike Lawrence on his first event. Touch and go.
Okay, I'm going to start
Roger Wilson to drop his bomb. Whoops. Touch and go for Roger Wilson. Has really picked up here. My goodness, it must be Saturday night dinner time. Northwest Seaplane Championships. All you can eat. Barbara Anderson, she knows where it's at. Wow. Look at that. Look at those earrings. How about that? Style, first class style. Right, Barb?
Correct, Dick.
National TV.
Good girl.
Perfect.
Greg,
I got a phone today.
you're last in line. Greg Ernst going hungry. Again.
Uh-oh.
Look at all these workers here.
Here's the cleanup crew right here.
Steve Milo, Seahawk.
Steve won first place with this
Takes off, 2
Seahawk.
rolls, drops a bomb. 2 more rolls. Now touch and go. He does that for 5 more minutes. The middle square is 100, and the far square is 25. Curtis Seahawk. Beautiful scale aircraft.
Nice and smooth, too.
How about that, guys? Bring your beautiful airplanes here and have fun. And a white Piper Cub. Drop his bomb. Oh, he didn't drop his bomb. Must have hung up. 100. Here's Jeff Amos for his final landing of the first event. Just like a Piper Cub's supposed to. Here's Shepard, Paradise, California. Out in his SIG Piper Cub J3. Bill Westfall's got something hanging on his airplane there. Uh-oh, didn't quite make it. To win these contests, Greg Ernst says you have to have one of these here NICAD caps available at your favorite hobby shops. Los is going to be first up on the double limbo with his Edo float plane. Take off. And you go through this first set of poles. And he does a loop. Extra points for the loop. And down through the second set of limbo poles. And around, does the same thing for 3 minutes.
The famous double limbo.